Ni riboti irerekereirio ni bengi nene ya CBK thutha wa mucemanio wao mweri wa MPC na iria yarahurite mwihoko wa Kenya hari kuhuthirio ngarama ya muturire. Kuringana na gavana wa bengi ino Dagitari Kamau, ngarama ya muturire gwite kuma gicige 3.3 harĩ igana mweri-ini wa Keeri mwaka uyu nginya gicige 5.7 harĩ igana mweri-ini wa Gatatu, riu Akenya makirirwo ngarama ino guthie thio na makiria.
The MPC noted that its previous measures have lowered inflation, addressed the exchange rate pressures and anchored inflationary expectations. They also noted that overall inflation is expected to continue to decline in the near term, supported by lower food and fuel prices and also the pass-through effects of the recent exchange rate appreciation.
Thugi akagweta kugwa kwa mathogora ma irio kugia hinya hari ciringi ya Kenya kiringithanio na dola ya bũrũri wa Amerika, ũndũmwe na kugwa kwa thogora wa maguta ta itũmi icũngĩrĩirie na igateithĩrĩria kuhuthia mĩikarĩre ya Kenya.
Food inflation contributed 2.2 percentage points, and fuel 2.5 percentage points, and finally the non-food, non-fuel 1 percentage point. But the point here to note is that you can see that the contribution of food inflation to overall inflation has declined quite significantly from October 2022.
Imwe cia irio itongoretie hari kugwa hari thogora ni hamwe na mutu wa ngima, mutu wa ngano, hamwe na nyeni mĩthemba ĩtiganĩte kũrĩa itũngũrũ na cukari, ari imwe cia indo iria ciongereire mathogora macio.
And this has been the result primarily of lower food inflation from 6.9 to 5.8%, but also fuel inflation, which has declined from 13.4 to 12.3%. The non-food, fuel inflation has remained broadly unchanged at 3.6.
Ona kuri uguo Thuge ni aregete gwikira mukonde kana ciringi ya Kenya na guthie na mbere na kugatha icoka ciayo ta uria gukoretwo kwa ihinda ria mweri umwe, undu ukigwo hatikaine gukundera kwa muigana wa indo iria Kenya ikoragwo ikiria mabũrũri-inĩ ma nanja, muigana uria ugwite na gicunjĩ kia 1.7 harĩ igana.
Our projection for the current account deficit at 4%, as I indicated earlier. There is a possibility of a surprise, and it could be lower if the trend in remittances continues as we have seen in the first 2 months.
Haduini ya KABEME TV, retora kwa ni Bataru wa Mwagi.